scoliosis. One of the things I want to talk about today is pain related to scoliosis. So typically, when you are older in age, usually after you've stopped growing, is when the onset of pain usually happens. Since scoliosis affects women more than men, women tend to notice it the most when they're having children. During childbirth, the increased weight and pressure on their low back, it tends to cause some symptoms that go down the leg because the increased curve from carrying the weight into their stomach tends to push down on the nerves that will shoot pain down the leg, and it causes the muscles to tighten and become more painful that way. So after you've had your baby, things tend to get a little bit better, but then you're already having all the other issues, and then you're carrying a child, so your upper back starts hurting. So it's a great time to come in for physical therapy, because we can do manual therapy, massage, dry needling to help get the muscles to relax, get the pressure off your nerve root, and then we start in with the scoliosis exercises so we can start helping your posture and teaching you how to carry your children, carry your backpack with all of the wonderful things you have to carry for your kids, and then really get you stronger after having a baby, and then to help out with all your household chores so that you don't end up having the issues for the rest of your life. Because once we teach you those postures, we want it to become your natural and normal your normal posture, so that you can then go through and do everything you want to do without having some issues. If you have any more questions, please contact me at Focus Physical Therapy. You can find me on our website, www.physicaltherapylouisville.com. Thank you.